There's a lot of issues in. So what it say, relation, it will be making your problematic thing, okay, the approach will be very easier if you keep this in mind, okay. So relation between quantities in actual quantity is equal to relation between quantities in your base quantity would equal to a relation between quantities in the per unit quantities. Okay, so whatever, like if we have v equals to IR, so this would be same for all. Okay, so if we have, okay, if we have this, so it will be also same for this, that b base would equals to I base into R base, whereas p per unit equals to I per unit into R per unit. So it will be same for all the three cases. Okay, now let's see, let's go for your I. Okay, the next very quantity is your I. We have to see this. So if we have to find I per unit, so what will be this equation? It equation would be your I by I base, right? Now what is this value? Okay, this is your, first of all we have to keep in mind this is a derived base. Okay, this is the derived base, right? So we know your S equals to V into I. We'll see how it is being derived. Okay, so we know S equals to V into I, so it will also be written in S base equals to B base into I base, right? From here we could take I base equals to S base by B base. So our motive is to have all the component in the form of S and B. Else, what will happen is we have to just hold a minute. Just okay. So these are the terminology now. So this I per unit could be written as I by I base. That would be your I by, what is I base? I base is your S base by V base, right? So it can be written as your I into what is happening. Will be written as your I into V base by S base. Okay. Oh, it's not written. I per unit. Okay. This is the one. Okay. The next we talked about, that is your Z. Okay. So Z per unit is your z by z base, right? So we could write into this as now. How we will derive this? What is z over here? Now tell me what is z? We could write v equals to I into z, right? So if we convert this into the basic base form, so what will be its ultimate z base value would be? Z base would be your v base by, okay, v base by I base. Okay, is it so? Now this would be the scene. Now this I base, what we have studied, that I base is your, what we have seen, I base is your S base by B base, right? So we could convert this into V square base by S base. Now we have got this Z equals to V square base by S base. Is it okay? This is fine. Now this is all the terminology what we have to see. Okay, we'll see how we have to calculate the other parameters. Now I have another class, we'll leave. Okay, I'm ending this and I'm again starting. So all the this third year student need to join the same link. Okay, will I will adjust another class by today itself in the evening, and we'll complete this. Okay, because tomorrow class was not been done. Okay, so I'm ending this and we'll meet tomorrow, will next class. Fine.